What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another crazy day here in the world of crypto. So the merge has happened. The Ethereum merge has finally gone through. We've been waiting for this to happen, and now the market is reacting. So we're going to go through that right now, along with everything that you need to know to be fully up to date. Please do remember that nothing, I mean nothing at all in this video is financial advice, because I'm just a random guy sitting in his room. And today we are live for the first time ever on this channel with just me, because I am sick and tired of all of the spam that is down there in the comment section. So I thought I'd come and talk to you directly live so we can go through everything together. If you do like this sort of thing, please do leave me a comment in the comment section. Support me on this new journey, because I'm quite excited. I want to create more of a community here with you guys. I think it's awesome that so many people are still here tuning into my videos during this bear market, and I think that's incredible. And the thing is that people who are still in the bear market right now are the ones that I think are going to do the best going forward. I know I've said that a lot, and I'm sure you guys are sick of me saying that, but I really do think that we're going to do so well in this market, right? I just think that as long as you stick around and you're willing to put in even just a few minutes a day to stay up to date, I think that's going to work out incredibly well. With that said, enough of me blabbering on. I appreciate all of you guys in the comment section. You guys are amazing. We have 80 people viewing right now. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm super excited about this. Do let me know in the comment section if you appreciate me going live. I think it'll be a great way for us to connect a little bit more. Anyway, over on the crypto bubbles right now, we got Celsius up 44%. The reason why I think this is happening is almost like a Robinhood event, right? Not the exchange platform, but an event where like GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, where basically people go against the big guys. And Celsius, Voyager, 3 Arrows Capital all came and collapsed. And yesterday we got news that Do Kwon has an arrest warrant out for him, allegedly, because we have to say that just to stay safe, right? He's got an arrest warrant out for him, and that saw us actually see Luna Classic and Luna 2.0 take a little bit of a dip, but Celsius has been pumping since then, and I think that's just another comeback story in this market, which is awesome, right? But overall, we do see the market green as we speak. Now, this is because, of course, the Ethereum merge has happened. It's happened successfully, and we were watching this quite closely, and it happened around this point. So we have had around a 2% raise in the Ethereum price, which is great to see. I was very worried about this not turning out so well, but so far so good. And basically what the developers were saying was, if you notice nothing at all, happen, that means that the merge was successful. And so far we've seen nothing at all happen. Nothing has crashed. There's no projects that are struggling that I've seen yet. Maybe some projects will be slow to adapt to the merge, but nothing as of yet. Now, let's go through exactly what this means. So if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that people are basically speculating that this is the crypto sector's most historic event to date, which is pretty wild, right? Ethereum has jumped over 32%. At one point there, we were up over 100%, which is wild, dramatically outperforming Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has overall dropped around 9%. I'm not sure how up to date this news article is, but we have a quote here from Katie. She is the head of research asset management from Arnica. We believe that post-merge, the bull case for Ethereum is going to be a lot stronger for a number of reasons. Now, those reasons predominantly revolve around it taking a lot less energy to verify transactions. As we know, in the last bull market, we basically saw that institutions were interested in Bitcoin, but they were worried about the news and the information that Bitcoin mining was not environmentally friendly. Now, whether or not that's true, I don't think it is true in comparison to things like washing machines and air conditioners and stuff. It is nowhere near as energy inefficient as those. But that was one of the hang-ups that a lot of these big institutions had. And now Ethereum has become a model that actually has, I think it's like around 99% less. Yeah, 99% less energy consumption. So this could be very good. The proof of stake model, which is replacing the proof of work model, requires validators on the network to put up their Ether tokens or to stake them, essentially putting them out of circulation for an extended period of time. So what this does is it reduces the circulating supply for a period of time, which is good for the price action because there's less tokens that are able to be traded traded, which is great for the price action. Now, these could be locked up for around 12 months, 6 to 12 months, which again would be awesome. So slashing the energy consumption by 99% will also go a long way towards lowering the barrier to entry for institutional investors. Like we've said, battling the optics of contributing to a climate crisis. So basically, it's the way it looks. Although they do want to invest into Ethereum or into crypto, they're worried about the way it looks. If the outside shareholders don't like the way it looks, it could be detrimental to the companies. Now, this could lead to more institutional investors coming in directly to Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people have been speculating in the bull market that Ethereum was going to flip Bitcoin, the flippening, and now this may come in with in the bear market, right? Which would be wild. We've never seen that before, and I think it'd be awesome, right? It'd be a very different step, and this could lead into our next bull run if something like that happened, right? Pure speculation here. Of course, I don't know exactly what's going to come next in this market. But also just recently, the White House released a report warning that proof-of-work mining operations could get in the way of efforts to mitigate climate change. So the White House is still very much looking at proof-of-work as a bad thing. Again, adding to the bullish standpoint of Ethereum. So moving on to shorter term time horizons, if you are someone who is trading Ethereum, this is going to be a very volatile moment. So Ethereum will suffer challenges of a lot of volatility like every other asset class if we continue to get bad news come into the market. So as we know, we had the CPI data that came out. It wasn't very favorable. Of course, the market reacted badly to it. Today, we are on event number 2 of the drastic event calendar of September, the Ethereum merge. Tomorrow or today, I've seen mixed reviews here, but tomorrow or today, we have the Mt. Gox deadline actually coming into the market. And this basically means that the deadline for creditors to sign up to get their coins is today or tomorrow. But this doesn't mean that all of the Bitcoin is going to flood onto the market. So do be careful of that. Don't get confused with that. But this does mean that maybe over the next few months, we will see Bitcoin being released onto the market, which may be detrimental. Now, the big date is September 21st, the FOMC hike decision. And this could come into the market and badly affect every market, right? Not just crypto, but every market. This will be the interest rates. We'll find out if they are increasing the interest rates 50 basis points, 75 or 100. I think the market is now predicting 75 to 100, which is basically expected. So if we get 50, I think this will be beneficial for the market. If we get 75, I think this will still be probably negative, but erring on the side of negative, right? Did I say the 50 would be positive, but 75 would be negative-ish, and then 100, even though the market is expecting that, I still think that would be very detrimental for the market. So that's what we're waiting for. And in this article, they're definitely expecting that to still, for Ethereum to still suffer from that, okay? So please do be careful. And then one last point with the Ethereum upgrade is to be aware that the upgrade of Ethereum will not make it faster, cheaper, or more scalable. This is not that update. Of course, we are hoping that we will have those sorts of updates, but right now, the real investment draw is slashing of the energy use. This is everything that is important about this, right? On top of that, it is also hopefully making Ethereum become deflationary or less inflationary for now, right? So here we have the year-on-year supply growth. So right now we're at about 4.1% per year and about 5.5 million Ethereum, right? Are being issued onto the market, and just a small burn of 0.5 million. No, 0.5 million. Now, remember we had that upgrade a few months back where Ethereum upgraded to actually implement these burns. And let's simulate what happens now after the merge. Of course, we have had the merge. This website was around before then, but now at the point of this moment, we would have a 0.1% supply growth, right? That's a 0.6 million Ethereum that are being issued and 0.5 million being burnt. So very close to not being an inflationary currency, which Ethereum actually is. And hopefully we do actually move here. You see September around now, we will slowly start to move into a deflationary currency. Now, this is a 200-year projection. So these people who made this website are very much expecting Ethereum to be around for a long, long time. So this is a 200-year projection, but in and around here, we will be down. Look at this, around 2050. 83 million Ethereum, right? So hopefully we become a deflationary currency. Along with the staked Ethereum means that the supply, the circulating supply of Ethereum is going to continually get smaller and smaller. So simply holding Ethereum could potentially be a great long-term investment. I know I'm personally still holding my Ethereum. Let me know in the chat if you are still holding your Ethereum even through this merge, or even if you are a short-term trader. Let me know where you think we're actually going to go in this market. So that's everything you need to know. Right now, Ethereum is still doing well. We did have a pump of around 2%. The merge was successful, which was great. I'm happy to see that. If we do check out the global cryptocurrency market, let me give it a refresh. There we go. We've reclaimed the $1 trillion mark, which is awesome. This is exactly what I want to be seeing. I want to be seeing 1 trillion. I don't know why it is. I just love the idea that we have a $1 trillion market. Now, there's 100 of you guys watching right now, but only 33 likes. If you could do me a favor and just smash the like button, I really, really would appreciate that. Every one of you guys is going to smash it in this cryptocurrency market. I'm sure of it. You're still here in this market, even though everyone else is bored. Everyone's gone home. The lights are still on. The lights have been turned on, but we're still here cracking on each and every day. So it's absolutely awesome. We have seen Bitcoin today. It is still slightly down, but I reckon that's going to turn green soon. We got Ethereum 1,634. Binance up a little bit, which we actually had some news. Do I still have it? Yeah. So we had this news here. Just in, BNB Chain has partnered with Google Cloud to boost Web3 and blockchain technology projects. I think that's going to be huge, right? Binance is continually making huge moves in this market to move along this mass adoption idea that we have. So I think this is great. These pieces of news keep coming in. If you didn't know, BNB and Binance actually burn BNB with the profits from Binance quite regularly. So again, this could be another coin to hold for the long term. Of course, speculation in my eyes. You need to do your own research. But if you did want to sign up to Binance, just simply signing up would really, really support the channel. They are a partner here. It's an affiliate link down there in the description. And if you could just take a second, it'll probably take 2 minutes to sign up. That would really benefit me and the channel here. So I really do appreciate you guys taking a second to do that. They have $76 billion worth of daily trading volume and 10x lower fees than the overall market and these other big exchanges. So for me, I've been using them for over 5 years and I still hold loads of my crypto here. It's never gone anywhere. It's never gone missing. They've never been at risk of bankruptcy like we've seen these other coins. They're actually hiring more and more people each and every day. So that's what's awesome about Binance. If you do want to sign up, again, the links are down there in the description. They got a $600 bonus right now, and it would really I would really appreciate if you did take a second to do that. Thank you guys in advance, and let's continue on with today. Just a few more bits to go over. We got the greed and fear right now at 28, so slightly less fearful than yesterday, but last week in extreme fear. Right now, I know I blabber on about this, but this is something that's important to me, right? I like to buy in extreme fear and sell in euphoria. I've done this a few times now on larger timescales, and it's always played out really, really well. And it makes it easier to actually come in and take profits out of the market when you realize we are in a euphoric state like this chart dictates. So that's why I use it quite a lot. And according to history down here, in history, obviously not over the last, let's call it a year, but in the history before that, before the bull runs, that sort of stuff, buying in extreme fear has always worked out very well. That's why I personally use this chart, and I think it's very helpful in order to know where the market sits. Now, on top of that, do I have that? We haven't actually looked at Bitcoin yet, have we? So right now, Bitcoin basically sitting steady. We were down at very close to 20,000 just as the Ethereum merge was going through. So we've had a little bit of an increase in the price today at 20,200. Lovely to see here. You can see we interacted with this resistance up here at about 20,500, and we did get rejected down a little bit, and hopefully we can get above this. I would love to flip this back into a green support. We can see these sorts of levels coming into play many times in the past. However, I do still stick to my more bearish bias because the way the market looks, right? The overall market, I do expect the FOMC meeting news to be bad. Not bad, but I do expect the rate hikes to still be pretty scary for most people. So I do expect us to retest down to these down to the $17,000 mark, and then possibly even as low down here. We got 12,000 right here, and then we've got, where's the 14? Around there, you can see. So you can see here. So that would be the 14 mark, which I think is definitely possible to retest, even down as low as 12. But I don't think that that's going to last very long at all. I actually don't think I'm going to have an opportunity to buy almost anything if we do get down there. I think that's going to be a liquidity grab, because what we're going to do is what we're going to have, in fact, is we're going to have a bunch of stop losses set around here, right? So if you were a market maker, if you were trying to manipulate the market, let's say, and you wanted to push it down, you would know that there were stop losses here, which will cascade the price down. Hit stop loss, hit stop loss, hit stop loss, creating a cascading effect low very quickly, and that's an opportunity to buy up and grab the market, which is what I would try and do. But I don't think this is going to be a very long-standing thing. Of course, I could be wrong, but that's how I'm seeing it. And we do still have a lot of leverage in the market right now. $215 million worth of wrecked liquidations, mostly today on Ethereum and actually Ethereum Classic, and a little bit here on Bitcoin, Celsius as well. I guess a lot of people, this could actually mean that Celsius was today in a short squeeze, because a lot of people were shorting Celsius and it went the other way. So that's probably what we saw there. And with that said, that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. So you guys are fully up to date with the Ethereum merge, and yeah, it's looking good right now. Hopefully we can sustain this. It would be absolutely lovely for us not to retest that $17,000 mark. Before I jump into questions, if you guys can just give me a like here. We got 130 people currently watching with just 57 likes. So it'd be awesome if you could smash up the like button. That will really help me, and I'll start going through some questions here before we finish up the stream. Hey dingoes, what's crack-a-lacking? I assume that's an Australian accent, so I assume if you say dingoes, you're from Australia. What's up, Phone Games, PT UK? Thanks for stopping in. Connie Kenner. Like the live chat. Watching from South Africa, what is up, man? Half my family is South African, so appreciate. What's up from Serbia? How's it going? LA. I was in LA like, was it about 5 months ago? Awesome place. Pretty scary at night, I'll be honest, but it was fun. It was fun. Tanzania, I was there like a few years ago. Actually, if you look on this channel, I have some travel vlogs. I used to do some travel vlogs before I got into making videos about my investments, and I actually went to Tanzania, so there's a video there. Loved it. What a beautiful country. Someone singing nursery rhymes. No end. What's up? What's up? Nigeria. What's up? What's up? Bali. Man, I was just in Bali. You should have hit me up. Connor. No end. What's up, man? No worries. 1 a.m. in LA. Well, thank you for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. Brunei. God, there's so many people here, right? Durham. What's good? 8:15. 8:45. Did it, guys. Smashed. Watching from the Philippines. That's what I like to see. I got some guys on my team from the Philippines. I love the Philippines. Awesome place. V-Paul. The Do Kwon arrest is not FUD, right? It's speculated that there is an arrest warrant out for him. This doesn't mean it's FUD against Lunar Classic. I think this is one thing that people are a little bit of a misconception, right? Of course, the whole market is not part of the Lunar Classic community. So when some news comes out about the old or the actual original founder of Lunar Classic that is out for arrest, of course it's going to affect the market negatively. That's how it is. And as much as we don't want it to be, it is the case. He was the founder of Luna. So his arrest warrant with people who aren't involved in the Lunar Classic community, it's obviously going to affect the price, right? That's just inevitable. And it's not FUD. It's not FUD. It is happening. Yeah. That's all I have to say to that. Thank you, Donk Life. Appreciate you guys coming in. Nepal, what's good? 4 a.m. in Virginia. Wow, so early. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to go live when it's like super early for you guys. We are almost at 100 likes. I would really appreciate you guys if you could just smash up that like button. I'm going to continue to answer questions for 5 more minutes or so. So keep the questions coming. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. TM in Kent, what is up? Harry, when green screen? Why would I have a green screen when I've got this awesome background that I've created? Look at this. Let me go that way. Look at this background. I've got some plants. It's so weird because it's backwards. I got some plants. I got this lazy boy, and I got a green grass. Whoa, why would I want anything but a green grass wall? Singapore. I used to live in Singapore, actually, for about a year. That was fun. Loved it. Lebanon, what is good? Steve Kenny. Are you actually my cousin? You might very well be, because, you know, we are in the same family. If your name is Kenny, my name's Kenny. Hey, maybe we're related. Poland, what is up, guys? 77 likes. Come on, we can push that up to 100. We got 131 people watching right now. All you have to do is just, boom. It's going to take you like 2 seconds. It's going to take you like 2 seconds to just smash up that like button. Nepal, what's good? Chicago, 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I need to probably do these live streams either earlier or later for you guys because it's definitely too early right now for most people in America, I guess. Do I have anything else I want to go through really today? Just before we wrap this up. That's about it. I think we're done. Yeah, Steve, yeah, check it out. 23andMe. Maybe. Is your family from Ireland? If your family's from Ireland, I mean, at some point, the way families work, I guess at some point we kind of have to be related, right? At some point in the family tree, because everyone's a Kenny, right? Or does someone just make up the name at some point? Hong Kong, what is good? I do love Hong Kong. I've been to India actually, V Paul. I was actually a stunt double for what's his name, Rajinikanth in Robot 2.0. If anyone is from India, I think it's not Bollywood, right? It's Tollywood. I think is it Tollywood? Something like that. But yeah, I was a double for Rajinikanth in Robot 2. I am actually a stuntman by trade, and now I talk about cryptocurrency on the internet, so it's pretty funny. Crypto boom, boom, boom. I agree. What do you think will happen after the Mt. Gox repayment after announcement? Well, the thing is, it doesn't all hit the market at the same time. So I don't think it's going to be too detrimental short term. But hopefully what happens is most of the selling comes into a positive price action. Because if it's selling and we have, let's say, for example, good interest rate news. Now, this good interest rate might be this month, next month, the month after. But if we have good interest rate news, it may very well be that the Mt. Gox release is selling into into buying pressure, right? So that actually might not affect the market too much. Sweden, what's good? Yeah, Steve, grandpa's from Ireland. My grandpa's from Ireland. My dad's from Ireland. So who knows? I got a lot of family in America as well. A lot of Kennys, and there is a lot of Kennys in America. All right, guys, I think it's time for me to stop this up. Have I got slow mode? It says I've got slow mode enabled, which I don't want. Let me see if I can edit that off. Live chat. Oh, damn, I got that minimum subscribe, any duration. No slow mode, 10 seconds, no need, save. All right, sorry, I had slow mode on, so I couldn't see what was happening. I've turned it off now. Hopefully it'll be a little bit faster. I'm going to close this up in a few minutes. I've got to get on with life. Yes, I do want to go up Mount Everest. That would be awesome. I don't know if I can make it, but I need to get a bit of training in. Who do you think will end up buying Voyager? I don't know. That's an interesting question. I mean, it's a good business. It's just we're in a bear market. So what they need to be doing is not trusting companies like 3 Arrows Capital with other people's money. If they can create and sustain a business model where they're not doing that sort of thing, it could be a great business. So maybe someone good will buy it up. Hopefully it's not a big bank, because I saw someone talking about this recently, but maybe once the fear of staking your crypto becomes so big, like most people would never do it, then big banks are going to start offering crypto staking. And then that's how we move into a very centralized space. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But if it does, you heard it here first, right? Sorry, buddy, I can't really help you relocating to Canada because I don't have any idea. I'm not from Canada. I don't know. It's relatively easy to get a job. If you can apply for a job in Dubai, you can apply for a job here, and come back here. Get back in focus. What are you doing? All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Yes, Chase, the merge has been completed. Let's just jump onto the chart quickly so I can show you. If you want to replay this stream, we basically went over all the news that you need. Right now, the merge has been completed. If we do check, I think it was around there. So we're up around 1.6%. Everything's been successful. So far, so good. I would watch that with hawk eyes, eagle eyes, in case something happens. soon. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off this stream. We got 3 more likes to get to 100 likes. I want to get to 100 likes before I jump off, and that will make my day. I can get on with my day as a happy man. So if you do have a second, smash it. And yeah, let me know once this goes live on the channel. It will be the only live stream that has just me. So I would really appreciate you leaving me a comment, maybe some feedback. If you want me to go over anything in particular, I would love to do that. And I would love to do some more live streams if you guys are up for that. If that's the sort of thing that you guys are looking for, I would love to do that. And it's been really awesome to connect with you guys. We did just hit 100 likes, 105 likes. You guys are the best. So I'm going to have to jump off now. Got to eat some food. Thank you. Congratulations to anyone who held through the merge so far. It looks like it hasn't been that bad, but as always, we got to wait to see what will happen. If you do want to support the channel, just signing up to Binance down there in the description. There's a $600 bonus, and literally just signing up would be absolutely amazing. That will support the channel alone. Just putting in some details, take a couple of minutes or maybe even a few seconds. And yeah, that's all I ask. I will see you guys in the next video.